Well, I'm in Fairfax, Virginia, and of course I didn't rent a car, but a little bit of a snowstorm going on. I'm about to walk home. Actually, they're letting us out early because the Costco is just completely dead. So here I am. I'm going to just make an attempt to get home. It's about a mile, so stay in touch. There's my trail. Man, it's already coming down. I can't imagine how much snow is going to be here tomorrow. Cars are just at a standstill. I'm actually probably going to beat cars home. And I didn't even hear much of this storm on the news, so I think this is kind of taking Washington, D.C. and Fairfax by surprise. Yeah, gas station is just right packed full of people. Get gas. They know it's going to be a long commute home. The direction I'm going is not bad. The other one's going pretty tough. This is called a definite blizzard. It's like walking in the sand. You walk, but you don't get too far because you have no traction. This side of the freeway, commuters trying to get home. It's just basically a parking lot. This side of the freeway is clear, the other side's not. So this is me. This is what I look like. Trying through this. Everybody's upset. It's like an accident guy. Happened right there. The car slid. Trying to. It looks like they didn't get hit. I made it to the mall. Got some sirens going off. Sure, some accident. Shops are closed early. Okay, I made it to my hotel. So this is Fairfax, Virginia on the 26th of January. A little bit of a snowstorm, and I think it could keep up like this all night long. I don't know if my lens is clean. You can even see me, but it's coming down good. this could really put things to a crawl tomorrow morning. I think it will take people hours to get home tonight. I think actually I'm one of the fortunate ones to be able to be walking. Even though I'm quite tired, it feels like I walked an hour on the beach. Couldn't get any tractions with the shoes I had on. So here we are. Mike signing out.
Minutes.
It is a mess out there. We're glad you finally got someplace
All these
where you can give us
schools
a
are
report from
closed
that. I guess
today.
the issue now is, do you get back before breakfast in the morning, right?
I think all of our live shot reports tonight will be coming from Chainbridge Road.
How about the traffic coming the other way, though? Is that open coming the other way?
Let me